Welcome to Horizons 101. We're here by the poolside. Judy Collins. Here at Horizons 101, guys, I'll just show you what's behind me. And now I'm going to the unit here more. You're gonna see more. Going now to the unit. We're in the farthermost. On the left. The last unit on the left.
Hi.
Opo.
Ikaw rin anak ko.
Hi! Welcome to Horizons 101. Nalayo man ni Ari mo balik mo diri kalayo man ninyo. Nagpalayo man ni noon mo. Hi guys, we're still here in Horizons 101. So the kids are already enjoying the pool, so that's what you see from this video right here. And that's my son, the biggest one in the club.
Ah,
my son was
Barog sa padong eh.
So they're just playing there on that side. Oh my god, they were close to me earlier. Ay, panool mo dire! Shi! Are mo dire! Panool mo dire! Are mo dire lang, kuya! So they're just enjoying their time here. You can see. They're on the other side. I sit down by the side of the pool, by the pool side, so I can take video from there. They were very close earlier. Now they're far already. But they're coming. Ano ba talaga pita ba? I'm telling them to come closer. There, at least they're closer now. So that's Yael and Kuya Boy. And Shishi and that's Shishi and Zoe.
Yo, sit.
Oh. Ah, yeah, yeah. Shishi is grabbing my feet. Grabbing my feet.
Abdi pula. Kaysa makita ni mo na po.
Basta anak ko.
Lagi.
Kapoy naglangoy-langoy. Oh, shout out Van Charlene. Bang! Lingaw kay sila. They really enjoy, make the most of their time here, enjoying here. That's it. Siya, maligo pa magbalik og ma. Oh, kuha mo ka na lang tulo ni Kuan.
Sumut.
So, andili ni Shishi and Zoe. Muli naman na. Ha? Uyog mo na ito sa banaw. Uy, si! Uy, si Zoe sa banaw.
Hindi mo siya kalaan ko yung.
Tingnan mo kanan ko yung Zoe?
Ah, sabi na siya.
Sa? Sa kadlukan.
Halo ko ba ito? Eh, lukan ni kasoran.
Dali na sumot. Diha mo linya mo ni Kuya. Na si Kuya, uy.
Oh, are na.
Sige, linya na mo, linya ba? Linya. Kailan mo linya? Na horizontal. Shot na mo. Kuya, layo ka Kuya. Kadool nila Kuya.
Kills my margin. Yes, ako kasoy.
Sige, ana. Sige. So naman ninyo ang formation, eh. Mag-screenshot na lang ko, eh. Mag-video na lang. Lisod kayo. Ang usa mo liho. Ang usa na po mo liho. Smile na mo, smile.
Ayaw ba?
Kaiser na po, nawala. Hala, oy, kalisod yung picture na ng mga bata. Oy, pagka sinabot sa movie, parang sa mo ayos paglangoy-langoy. Smile sa miss. 1, 2, 3, smile. Kana, mag-screenshot na lang ko kay kakahasol ninyo. Okay na. Thank you for their cooperation. Cooperation, yung wani cooperate. Dugay kayo na po na. Ga-video na lang ko kay kuan, lisod kayo sila picturean. Hindi mo kasi nabot. Deho ka mo sa mga.
Gaya Kaiser ko, Kaiser.
Subanan magka ka umay.
Mura ang galingan lagi.
Mura lagi ang Azalea. Pero sa rato ka building ang Azalea na.
Ano mag-busy dito?
Hindi man ko makaabot sa tao mo. Ito nga, medyo ko kami ako. Maghangin.
Hi guys, this is the night view here in Horizons 101 still. So you can see the Kamputhaw neighborhood there. And then, Kamputhaw na siya diha. Then further is Lahug and then Busay. And then there the side near Frente. And right here on this side is Cebu Business Park. So it's so nice here, and when I saw it when we were going up, I was amazed. My God, oh wow, what a nice view. And that's all, guys. And that's all, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right here at Horizons 101 again. Bye. Signing off, Steve Felix with Judy Collins.